Good morning. This video is going to be a little bit different than what we typically do. I am closing in quickly on 2,000 subscribers here on our channel. Our subscriber numbers and our number of views have jumped significantly in the last couple of months, and I wanted to say thank you to our subscribers and those of you that are watching our videos. So we're going to do a little bit of a giveaway. When we reach 2,000 subscribers, and I think we're about 44 short of that 2,000, we are going to give away a Mittleider gardening course book and 2 of the 10-ounce packets of micronutrients. There will be 2 people selected randomly from the comments for this video. All you have to do is like the video and leave a comment. After we get to 2,000, we'll use one of those random comment selector programs, pick 2 people, and we'll have our winners. Rules are pretty simple here. All you have to do in order to be entered in this is leave a comment where you tell us your favorite thing to grow in the garden. If you're in the area of northwestern Missouri, this Saturday we are giving a tour of our Mittleider garden. You're going to be able to walk through the greenhouse as well as our soil beds and have a look. We're going to be answering questions about Mittleider gardening and also doing a demonstration on pruning and training tomatoes to grow vertically in a Mittleider garden. If you're in the area and you would like to attend, we have an announcement in the Mittleider Gardening Method Facebook group. I'll put a link in the description for you to that group. There's a couple of groups with the same name. I'm not in the other groups. The details about our gathering are in that Facebook group. Alright, that's it for today. I'm going to get these onions planted. If you're going to be here Saturday, you will see all of these little onions growing. Thanks again to all of our viewers and our subscribers. We enjoy seeing the growth of the channel and the interest in growing your own food. Leave us a comment here in this video. Let us know your favorite thing to grow in the garden. And I hope that you're one of the people that win the book or the micronutrients. Thank you for watching and happy gardening.